Happy Halloween month, everybody. I wanted to do some fun Halloween makeup this year for my skeleton costume. Yeah. I practiced it once before and I thought it turned out pretty cool, so I wanted to show you guys. And it's pretty simple. It uses a pretty basic set of makeup, so hopefully you guys are able to follow along. Let's get into it. I'm gonna start with some foundation, and it's just the normal stuff. You can go lighter if you want a more pale looking skeleton, but I'm just gonna go with my normal stuff. I'm also gonna go ahead and go on my lips just to neutralize the lip color so it kind of matches the rest of my face. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get my eyebrows out of the way. Now I wanted to go ahead and start with the eyes. And we want to start with the transition color. We don't want to go right into the black. For transition, I'm gonna go ahead and do a little bit of this light first, and then this dark one, and then to the black. So the lighter, I'm gonna go ahead and go like all around my eye here. Kind of create that socket look that we've got here now. And just kind of blend it out. Yeah. So we want to look dead. That's about right. And then I'm gonna go ahead and go with the darker one. And coming right into my eye. And I'm actually gonna go up by my eyebrow here. This is gonna create that kind of angry, evil look.
My camera blacked out for a second here, so I'm just gonna explain that at this point I started putting on the black eyeshadow directly onto my eyelid, really thick and heavy so that the color is extra pigmented, and I've just started doing it on the eyelid and right below and kind of blending it into the other colors.
Once you get your black all in, just go in with your transition colors to really blend it all in. So our eyes, for the most part, are done. I'll go back in later and do I'll go back in later and do liner and lashes. But for now, let's start cutting in here where we're gonna start creating that skull shape on our face. And I'm gonna start with just using one of my transition colors again from eyeshadow, in case we mess up, so it's easier to clean up and we can kind of map it out. So I'm going with my lighter transition color, and I'm gonna start like right below the cheekbone here. Come and start coming down right here to the mouth. I'm gonna go a little sharper. Come out here just a little bit further. And then down. Yep. Yeah, I like that. Yeah, I think that looks about right. And now we can go in with a darker transition and kind of bring it down. See, and it already looks like my cheek is like sinking in, so that's what we want. There we go. That's a pretty good outline there. And now I really want to go in with dark. So I'm going to do some black. And just blend it out and down. There we go, and same to the other side. Now we have our skull shape pretty mapped out. Now I kind of want to shape out the rest of the top here. So I'm gonna go in with a darker transition color. Kind of go on my temples here. Just in the places where you know that like the skull kind of and I'm just gonna outline the rest of my forehead here so that it kind of blends back into my hair. Little details like that can make a huge difference just in how the way it makes your face look shaped. Now I'm gonna go ahead and come in with some liquid liner. You can see I kind of just did a little wing there, but I really just want to like outline the darkness of the eyes. So now I'm going to use the same liquid eyeliner to do my nose. And I'm gonna just kind of trust my gut on this. It's I like the idea of like a broken bridge here, so we do like a little V there, and then just start to kind of draw around your nose where you want it to be. And then you just fill it in. Now, I'm also going to define my cheek lines here, so it has the same depth as the eyes and the nose. So I'm going to go in with my liquid eyeliner again, just along the lines I already made. Now I'm going to start doing the teeth, and again I'm going to be using the same liquid liner, and you just want to follow the lines of your own teeth. So but we can go ahead and go in now and add a little more detail just to define the teeth a little more. Okay, and now I'm gonna use my eyeshadow brush. And just using like a transition, one of the transition colors, just to blend out the teeth a little bit so they have a little more definition. And now I'm really gonna try and make my teeth and my cheekbones. So I'm gonna use like a highlighter and just go right along here. There, and that way, like especially in certain lighting, it's really gonna pop. And then just be sure to kind of blend it out. And I'm also gonna go ahead and do it on my teeth as well. And we want to be a sexy, dead-looking skeleton, so some mascara, and I actually got lashes for this. Frightening lashes. Alright, so now we just have to finish it off with some mascara. And that is the completed look.